Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So I'm here to share my Secret Garden journal. Now, I released this kit quite a while ago now. It is available in my Ko-fi, the link's in the description below if you're interested. And I'd started my journal and then, you know, you know what happens. Anyway, I decided to finish it. So the last couple of days I've been doing some work, and in between work I thought I'd finish this journal. Anyway, long story short, she is for sale if anybody's interested. You can either email me really quickly or catch me on Facebook, otherwise it will go on Ko-fi. I will say that if an international person wants to purchase it, don't be shocked at the postage. She's quite large and quite heavy, and it is a hard chipboard. I think I used 3mm chipboard, so it's quite sturdy. So she measures 8 3/4 by 6.5, and we've got a 2-inch spine with hidden binding. We've got a lovely key here, and this goes with the little lock there, which is meant to represent, here we've got Mary Lennox from the Secret Garden story. If you've not read it, go read it. And she's found the key to the secret garden, so that's what this is. It's not the first Secret Garden journal I've made, but this one is completely different to my other. We've got some lovely bridal applique there, with sequins. I don't know if the light will pick them up, but it has got sequins on them. We've got a little metal nameplate there, and it says Moments in Time. So we have got, I'll just show you the back. The back is covered with paper. If anybody saw on my social media, I had a bit of a nightmare with this journal, and I put the front cover on the back by accident. But I managed to rescue it, and everything's fine. As you can see, it's all been beautifully repaired. There's no harm done. So 184 pages. We've got 3 signatures. Okay, and we've got this lovely Tim Holtz find in there to hold the key. It's quite a big key, and this is quite a sturdy metal piece. So if we open her up, I've made the cover quite nice. It does lay flat. Okay, the cover lays completely flat. I've done quite a good job on this one. So in the front here, I do have a tutorial on this. So it opens like so. There is a pocket there, but I had to take out what was in it because it made it too bulky. And we've got a tag there and tags here. Okay, and then we start with the signatures. So all of these pages are in my Secret Garden collection. There's just a handful of pages in here that I've printed out from my own collection to go with it. Okay, so I'll flip through as quick as I can. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So the predominant colours are greens and beiges, and then we've got some lilac colours. It's a lovely, lovely kit. And here I've printed one of my images onto some vellum and created a pocket. This is actually a trifold. It opens, you know, with 3 panels, with dotted paper for journaling, and we've got a tag. I don't want to remove everything. So this is a digital print of a vintage floral design, and it's jasmine. I've tried to leave loads of writing space, so I haven't completely cluttered every single page, because I want it, and that's why I made sure that the cover does lay flat so that it can be journaled in. So I've just decorated this one with one of my watercolour clusters, so I've painted these and then added bits and bobs. Okay, then on the other side here I've just made a pocket from a little tag, and we've got some little lace there, and we've got a envelope that I've printed onto vellum, and it's got a little, what's it got in there? It's got a little flash card. Okay. And some more of the beautiful digitals, again beautiful for journaling. Paper bag, I love these. I put them in all my journals because they're perfect for you to tuck your own bits and bobs in. We've got another little envelope there, and that has got a flash card in. Okay, beautiful plain pages for writing. Some little short pages for interest, and this is like a Victorian glass greenhouse. We've got some bookkeeping paper there that I've done some stenciling on, ledger paper. This is one of my collage sheets, plain on the back for writing. Vintage floral print there, botanical like drawings, plain on the back for writing. That's one of my lacy patterns. Digital from the kit. This is from one of my vintage floral books, so that's from a book. It's not a digital. Okay, another one of my watercolour clusters there with some lovely, I have heat embossed those butterflies on vellum. There's quite a lot of detail in there. A little pocket with some ephemera, which is part of the collection. Just done a bit of stamping there to decorate that page. Vintage dictionary, and that's the centre of one signature. So the other side here I've created just a little tuck with some pretty lace and added a selection of ephemera in there. Okay, dictionary page, bit of stamping, another vintage book page. Lovely, lovely, contrasting lilac colour. Just adds a pop of colour amongst all of the vintagey beigey colours. More stamping, more stamping. So as you can see, I've tried not to over decorate the pages, and that is so that it is functional, because it's all right having a pretty journal, but then like what you're going to do, just look at it. So I thought if I kept it as simple as possible, then whoever purchases it can actually write in it, you know, and it's a functioning journal, and that way you're getting more fun out of it. Okay, lots and lots of writing pages. And then we're coming to some more of the lovely digitals that I created. Here we've got a stacked pocket, so there's 3 pockets filled with tags and ephemera and all sorts of stuff. Okay, and then here's a lovely vintage print of some irises, I think they are. Absolutely stunning. And then here we've got like a it's an angelic figure, like a garden ornament, and that's printed on vellum. We've got another Victorian glass greenhouse there, vintage florals, some ledger paper, and that's a print of a garden plan, and some lovely ladies walking around in the gardens, because it's a Victorian garden and that's what they did. And then in the centre of this signature is this kind of concoction. I do have a tutorial on this. So here we've got 2 tags. Okay, this is the front and it opens. We've got a vellum pocket here, double vellum pocket with ephemera in, and then this bit opens this way, that one opens that way, that one opens that way, that one opens that way. Okay, and every one of these flips is also a pocket. Okay, so if you want to see how to make that, you can go back and look through my videos, and it is there. And this one's got a window, and then there's a tag here you can tuck behind, but it's for decoration. Okay, and then here we've got a lovely vellum envelope that I've added decoration to, and this is some watercolouring on vellum, and we've got some lace and all sorts of things. Okay, and that's the back side of that angelic angel. And then here we've got Mary Lennox at the garden gate again, which is the same image as the front of the book, more digital. Oh, I think that page has just got a little bit stuck. One of my background pages, another vintage floral book, another cluster. So there's lots of detail on these clusters. We've got tickets, we've got the embossed butterflies, and then some die cuts behind, then the watercolour swatches. Back here we've just got a pocket, paper bag. This is a paper clip, a hidden paper clip, but on both sides it's got a pocket. Okay, so let's put that back on there. Slippery little sucker. And I do say sucker with an S. Slippery sucker. I know some people think I'm saying something else, but I can assure you I'm not. And then here is another piece of ephemera. I've printed digital on the back. So that's another one that I created. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love this. Absolutely love it. I loved creating this kit. More vintage book page, and I think the lilacs go beautiful with that page. Lots and lots of writing space. This is from the, what's it called now? Henry something or other, which is another popular floral book that journal makers use along with Edith Holden. It's that other one. Okay, beautiful violets there. Another one of my little clusters. Centre of the signature, and that's a full spread. That's a full page from my collection. It's absolutely stunning. I'm not being biased, but yeah, probably am actually. A little tuck with some of this lovely trim, which I absolutely adore, and I'm running out of. I need to get some more. Another one of that. Is it Henry Terry? I've got Henry Terry in my head. I think that's the name of that book. Another one of my beautiful digitals. I absolutely love this kit. I don't know why I waited so long to create with it. And then here we've got, I think it's a money. No, it's a pocket. I thought it was a money envelope with just a tag. And then I've stuck this Bella band on and we've got a little journaling card there. And then here I've stuck one of my file folders. And I've just added some ephemera inside. There's a little pocket here which I've actually left empty, and there is a pocket there as well which I've left empty, so that there's room for whoever owns this to put their own things in. More beautiful writing pages and some more. I think I did a bit of spraying on that by the looks of it. Here we've got a copy of a vintage letter. I think that's one of my letters that's in my collection. I can't remember, I have that many digitals, I forget which are mine and which aren't. Vintage book page, another one of my lovely pretty pattern paper backgrounds, and another one there. Beautiful digitals. And then in the back here, I will undo it. We've got this little flip. Again, there's a tutorial on this as well. So we've got a window here with a tag, and when you take it out, you've got another image behind. Okay, I'll put that away in a minute. And then there's a pocket there which I've left empty for you to put your own things in. Pocket here with a tag. Okay, and it opens, or it should open unless I've glued it shut like so. We've got a little pocket here and a little pocket here, and then it opens unless I've glued it shut. Have I glued it shut? No. The full way there for more like hidden journaling. Okay. So I'll put that back, and then there's the back. So it's beautiful. It is very, very sturdy. I've done the corners lovely and neat. I'm quite impressed. I'm getting better at it. So there you go. That is what I've done with my Secret Garden collection. It was a super popular collection. As I say, this will be for sale over on my Ko-fi. The link's in the description box below if you want to pick up the kit or if you want to purchase the journal. Thanks for watching. I hope it's given you some inspiration, and I will see you again very soon. Bye for now.